Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see the sent requests on Instagram or download your data from Instagram. So to begin with, what we need to do is, first of all, you gotta have an Instagram account. That's obvious. And after that, the Instagram application. Well, previously it would require the application, but with the recent update they have moved it on. So I want to show you where you would find it if you are in the previous versions of Instagram application somehow, if you are in the past time traveler maybe. So yeah, so to do it, what you need to do is go to Instagram profile and click on your profile, and then go to the dashes on the top right corner, click on them, and then click on settings. So you'll go to settings, and inside setting, if you go to privacy, so inside setting, if you go to privacy, under privacy, you would find that option. But since the update, they have removed the option from there. Now you can't download your data from there. So yeah, instead of that, there is apps and websites, but you can't download your data from there now. So to download your data, it doesn't mean that you can't download the data. So to download your data, what you need to do is you will have to open Instagram in your browser. So it can be any browser, the browser you prefer. So for now, as I'm using iOS, I'll go to Safari. So in Safari, I'll go to Google and Google Instagram. And after that, what I'll do is I would go to the login page of Instagram and into my credentials, and it will log me into Instagram. So once I'm logged in into Instagram, what I need to do is again go to my profile. Once in my profile, what I'll do is I'll go to the setting menu where it shows as option if you're using it in the browser. So under the options, what you need to do is go to privacy and settings. And once you click on privacy and setting, what you need to do is scroll down. And if you scroll down, you'll find an option called data download. If you click on request download, then it'll prepare the data, and it's going to ask you the format in which you want it. It can be JSON or HTML, so it's your preference. And after that, you have to click next and then enter your password. So it won't give it right away to you. It'll take some processing depending on how big of a data you have on Instagram. And after that, once your data is prepared to be downloaded, it'll notify you, and then you can click and download the data from Instagram. So this is how you can download all of your data from Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, and please drop a like, comment. If you have any question, I'll make a video about it and show you how to do it, and subscribe for more videos just like this, and see you in the next one. Peace.